Let us now take a look at some of the events that made news in the Northeast recently.
Troops of Indian Army in a joint operation with Assam Police apprehended 2 cadres of the National Socialist Council of Nagaland (NSCN-IM) near Ledo in Tinsukia district of Assam. Based on a specific input, the joint team launched an operation and apprehended the cadres from the area. The apprehended cadres have been identified as SS Lieutenant Colonel Rapung Hakong, Alas Joni and SS Kochang Sangke. The team also recovered 1 foreign-made 9mm pistol, 1.22 pistol, 10 live rounds of ammunition and Rs 10,000 in cash from the insurgents. Hundreds of vehicles, including trucks carrying perishable food items, have been stranded on National Highway 8 in Tripura due to dilapidated condition of the roads. Heavy rainfall contributed to deterioration of the road on NH8 between Pacharthal and Kumarghat, making it impossible for vehicles to ply on it. The National Highway authorities have been engaged in repairing, but due to COVID-19 pandemic, there has been a huge shortages of laborers. To overcome the crisis, the Border Security Force is using choppers to airlift food and essential items to some of its border outposts, especially in the remotest part in the Dalai district, along with Bangladesh. A new species of fish was recently discovered in the junction of River Sikku and Siram under East Siang district. According to reports, the new species was discovered by Dr. Keshav Kumar Jha, Associate Professor from Jawaharlal Nehru College, Pasighat, who named it as Schizothoric sicusirensis. Association for Social and Human Advancement, jointly with ICFAI University and local administration, organized a voluntary blood donation at Lumbarchera in outskirts of Agartala. The blood donation camp was held to help in overcoming the ongoing blood crisis in hospitals across Tripura due to COVID-19 pandemic. Earlier, ASHA, which for the last 2 decades is running a center for training of youths in various trades for self-employment, especially in rural area, have produced more than 10,000 marks and distributed them among the frontline COVID-19 warriors and poor section of people during the initial days of lockdown. The Indian Army, along with Assam Police, 210 Cobra battalions and 6 battalions SSB recently unearthed a massive cache of arms and ammunition in the Chirang district of Assam. A joint operation was launched based on the information regarding the presence of illegal arms and ammunition in the forested area of Lal Pathar. According to police officials, it is the second largest arms and ammunition recovered in the district after Panbari Forest Reserve in 2019. Amid the COVID-19 surge, thousands of youths in Mizoram are working as frontline warriors to render specially for those working in healthcare services, in hospitals and quarantine centers. The Young Mizo Association is one of the largest and most comprehensive non-profit secular and non-governmental organization of the Mizo people to mobilize youth for social service and to serve both patients and healthy people. Under the association, a village-level task force has been formed for basic service in hospitals and quarantine center. The YMA volunteers also organize a blood donation camp for COVID-19 patients to fight the pandemic.